Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is January 24th, 2021. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how I transplant my orange trees to the bigger containers. Stick around me. The best season to transplant evergreen trees is autumn and spring because mild climate conditions will allow your plants to have enough time to recover from damaged root systems before it gets too cold and too hot. We live in Los Angeles area. During the winter from December to March, it is a mild spring-like season with a lot of pleasant and sunny days. So January is still a good time to transplant my citrus tree. So let's get started. Hi guys, check out right here. You can find two orange trees in the containers. On the left side is bigger. On the right side is smaller. But both orange trees came from the same mother orange trees. If you want to know more details about these two orange trees, please check out my recent videos I posted on my YouTube channel. You can also click the link listed above for more details. Let's check out this big orange tree. You can see here there's a lot of new leaf growth right here. Interestingly, you can still find some flower buds right here. And check out right here and some right here. It's blooming. So basically this orange tree is planted in a container. I think this might be 3 to 4 gallons size. This small orange tree is planted in a relatively smaller container. I think it's 2-gallon size container. So today I'm going to transplant these two orange trees to bigger containers. Here you can see one bigger container. I think this one is about 6 to 7 gallon sized container. So this one might be 3 to 4. So after I transplant this orange to this bigger container, then I'm going to transplant this small orange to this medium-sized container. So let's do it. So first I'm going to show you the potting mix I'm going to use today. It's all-purpose indoor and outdoor mix. It's great for palm, cactus, and citrus. It's 100% organic. Check out right here. They said absorb water quickly and provide excellent drainage. And check out the ingredients. Recycled forest products, pumice, sand, bark fines, dehydrated poultry manure, hydrolyzed feather meal, and also it contains ferrous sulfate. It can be used in pot, in the ground, or in garden beds. So this is the potting soil looks like. Very good for citrus. So this time I'm not going to apply any commercial available fertilizers. I just apply some natural fertilizers. You can see here there's some coffee ground, chopped banana peels, and crushed eggshells. I'm going to apply some and mixed with this potting soil. Hi guys, I already mixed well the potting soil. It's ready to use. So let's take a look at these bigger containers. You can find 6 big drain holes at the bottom. Actually, this is very important for citrus tree because the citrus tree needs very good drainage. Check out right here, very big drain holes at the bottom. So I'm going to put some potting soil at the bottom of this container. So guys, I just squeezed this container and remove some loosened soil on the top. So right now it's ready to lift this orange tree. So let's do it. So I'm going to lift this orange tree. Wow. Check out right here. You see the soil very loosened. Check out the roots, very healthy. So I just loosen up a little bit the soil around the roots. Actually, you can see they are very loosened. Anyway, check out the bottom. Beautiful roots. This is from air-layered citrus tree. Almost 1 year. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just to loosen up. So that's why I don't want to apply any commercial available fertilizer right now, because actually when I transplant these plants, definitely cause some damage to the root system. So let me put right here, sit right here. It's beautiful, beautiful roots. So I think this height is perfect. Okay, let me put some, oh, there's earthworm right here. Let me put some soil. It's beautiful roots. Shake a little bit. You see here, it's beautiful. Pack a little bit. It's in the middle of this container. See? It's beautiful. So I'm done with this big orange trees. Okay, this is a medium size container, about 3 to 4 gallon size. You can see here, still have 6 drain holes at the bottom. It's a pretty big hole. Very good. So let's repot the small orange tree. Already loosen up the soil around the roots. So right now it's pretty easy to lift it. Let me do it. Okay, check out right here. The roots, the root ball. You see here, the bottom, the roots. So compared with that big orange tree, kind of this small orange tree has less roots. So that's why I really want to repot this small orange tree to a bigger container. Check out right here. So I'm going to do the same thing, just to loosen up the soil around the roots. You can check out right here. Earthworm right here. Nice. So just loosen up a little bit. Actually, I'm not going to trim the roots. I think this is good enough. You see, the outside of this root ball already loosen up. So I'm going to sit this root ball in the container. Okay, so let me fill back in some potting soil. Shake a little bit. Okay, guys, check out right here. It's beautiful.